I'm gonna start this thing, you're gonna hear it. It sounds like a damn Toyota Camry. Goofy thing about the Viper, a latch here in the front, you don't even have to go in the car. And then there's like a traditional latch here. So literally you could have the car parked, doors locked, somebody can just come open the hood. Unboxing time. A little bit of a difference, I would say. It's the whole system. Look at these SOBs we got.
It's feeling like Christmas.
Look sketch as hell, but these bad boys were on sale. Some NASCAR going on around here.
Yeah, boy.
Woo.